Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you exactly how to withdraw your funds from Coinbase to your bank account, whether you are cashing out your crypto profits or just moving your funds. I have got you covered. Let's get started. First, make sure you are logged in to your Coinbase account. Open the Coinbase app or head to the website and enter your um, ent enter your username and password. Once you are logged in, you are ready to move forward. Next, click on the Assets tab on the home page. This will show you a list of your current cryptocurrency holdings such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Now find the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and click on it. In this case, I will be selecting Bitcoin. If you have multiple cryptos, make sure you choose the one you want to withdraw. Once you are on the specific crypto page, click on the Sell Convert button. This will allow you to um, sell your crypto for USD or another currency of your choice. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell. You can choose to sell all of it or just a portion. After selecting your amount, click Preview Sell. Review the details of your sale order carefully. Make sure everything looks good, the amount you are selling, the current price, and any fees involved. When you are ready, click Sell Now. After selling your crypto, your funds will be available in your USD wallet. Now go back to the portfolio section and click on the withdraw button next to your USD balance. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will be prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your bank account. Coinbase supports multiple payment methods, including ACH and wire transfers, depending on your country. Once your account is linked, select it. Enter the amount of USD you want to withdraw. You can withdraw the full balance or just a portion. After entering the amount, click Continue. Review your withdrawal details including your bank account and the amount being withdrawn. If everything looks good, click Confirm. Your withdrawal will now be processed. Depending on your bank and the withdrawal method, it may take anywhere from 1 to 5 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. You can track the status in your Coinbase account under recent activity. And that's it. You have successfully withdrawn your funds from Coinbase to your bank account. Remember, the process may take a few days, but now you know exactly how to do it. If this guide was helpful, or if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more details. Thanks for watching.